Friends, today we shall define a new term, radiation shape factor, and study about some of the properties of radiation shape factor. Now consider a radiation heat transfer between two bodies 1 and 2 at temperatures T1 and T2. Heat is radiated from small element dA1 at T1 to dA2 at T2 separated by a distance S. Now, radiation energy emitted from dA1 will fall on dA2. Amount of energy radiated from dA1 towards dA2 equal to intensity of radiation of dA1 into solid angle made into projected area of dA1 into solid angle made by dA2 at dA1. Projected area of dA1 will be dA1 cos theta 1. It is the area normal to the line joining the two bodies. Solid angle made by dA2 at dA1 is equal to as I have told, solid angle is equal to A by R square is equal to dA2 cos theta 2 by S square. Therefore, you can see here the small amount of radiation energy emitted from 1 towards 2 equal to intensity of radiation of dA1 into projected area of dA1 along OP into solid angle made by dA2 is equal to IB1 dA1 cos theta 1 and solid angle made by dA2 is dA2 cos theta 2 by S square. So, IB1 equal to dA1 dA2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 by S square. This is the small amount of radiation energy emitted from 1 and towards 2. Similarly, amount of energy emitted from by 2 will fall on 1. That is dQ21 is obtained as in the similar way is equal to intensity of radiation of dA2 into projected area of dA2 into solid angle made by dA1 at 2. Therefore, in the similar fashion, dQ21 is the amount of heat radiated from 2 towards 1 is equal to IB2 dQ21 equal to IB2 dA1 dA2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 by S square. So, net energy emitted at 1 is equal to energy emitted minus energy absorbed, because energy emitted by 2 will fall on 1. Net energy exchange at 1 will be equal to energy emitted minus energy received will be equal to dQ equal to dQ12 minus dQ21 is equal to dA1 dA2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 by S square into IB1 minus IB2. So, what is intense? You already derived an expression. What is E? E equal to IB into pi. E equal to MEC power equal to pi times the intensity of radiation. So, IB equal to E by pi. IB equal to E by pi. That has been derived in the last class. So, putting I by equal to EB by pi. EB, what is EB? MEC power of B equal to sigma T raised to 4 by Stefan Boltzmann law. Then dQ equal to small amount of heat energy emitted between 1 and 2 is equal to sigma by pi T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 dA1 dA2 by S square. So, this is the small amount of energy exchanged between dA1 and dA2 which are part of 1 and 2, which are small parts of 1 and 2. The total energy emitted from 1 and 2 is obtained by integrating this dQ over the area A1 and A2. So, Q12 is equal to total amount of energy emitted between 1 and 2 is equal to integrating this equation you will get sigma by pi T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 integration of cos theta 1 cos theta 2 dA1 dA2 by S square. This is the total amount of energy exchange between 1 and 2. This can also be written simply as, you are all familiar with this equation, type of equation. Q12 equal to F12 A1 sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. Q12 is written as F12 A1 sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4, where F12 is known as a shape factor, where F12 is a shape factor or a configuration factor. So therefore, comparing these two, we'll get F12 is equal to integration of A1 A2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 divided by A1 pi s square dA1 dA2. So this is the expression for the shape factor. So shape factor, you can see here, it is a function of only geometrical parameters, that is theta 1, theta 2, A1, A2, S. Therefore, it is a function of only geometrical parameters. So amount of energy emitted between two bodies separated at a distance S is a function of the relative position of the two bodies and the geometry of the two bodies. Geometry and relative position of the two bodies. That is taken into account by the term shape factor F12, other than T1 and T2. Now, we got an expression for the shape factor. Now, we shall study some properties of shape factor. Some properties of shape factor. Property number 1. As I have told, shape factor is only a function of only geometrical parameters. It is a function of only geometrical parameters. 2. When two bodies are radiating heat with each other, reciprocal relation holds good. That is, A1 F12 will be equal to A2 F21. A1 F12 equal to A2 F21. Then third, shape factor of a flat surface. Shape factor of a flat surface with respect to itself is 0. Because or shape factor of a concave surface with respect to itself is also 0. Shape factor of a flat surface or a convex surface with itself, that is F11, will be 0. Then shape factor of a convex surface with flat surface enclosing the convex surface. Fresh shape factor of a convex surface with flat surface enclosing the convex surface is 1. Because all the energy emitted by convex surface is intercepted by flat surface. Similarly, shape factor of a convex surface with other convex surface enclosing it is also 1. Then concave surface or a cavity, irregular cavity made in the ground. Say, suppose we make an irregular cavity of any shape in the ground. Concave surface has got a shape factor with itself. The concave surface has a shape factor with respect to itself, because energy emitted by a concave surface is intercepted by itself. See here, I'll show you one figure here. This is a cavity. One is a irregular surface enclosed by 2. One is enclosed by 2. One is the irregular cavity enclosed by 2. one has got shape factor with respect to itself. One has got shape factor because shape factor with respect to itself, because energy emitted by one is intercepted by itself. Then another thing, shape factor of 1 with respect to 2, which is a flat surface, is 1. Is 1. This is what I have to tell. Shape factor of a concave surface has a shape factor with itself. Then one more thing, take two concentric cylinders of area A1 and A2. Shape factor of one is the inner area, A2 is the outer area. Consider a concentric cylinder having inner radius 1, outer radius given by 2. Inner area is A1, outer area is A2. Then F12 will be equal to 1, because whatever the energy, radiation energy emitted by inner area will be intercepted by the concentric outer cylinder. But shape factor of 2 with respect to 1, 2 being the outer cylinder, 2 with respect to 1 will be equal to A1 by A2. F21 equal to A1 by A2, because all the energy emitted by 2 no doubt will fall on A1, because of the difference in areas. The area intercepted will be not 1, but it will be ratio of areas. F21 equal to A1 by A2. Then if n bodies are participating in radiation process, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to up to n, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2 up to n bodies are participating in a radiation process, then shape factor of 1 has every body has a shape factor with itself and also with the other bodies. Shape factor of a body with respect to itself plus shape factor of it with other bodies, summation will be equal to 1. So here equal to F11 plus F12 plus F13 plus F1n equal to 1. Similarly, F21 plus F22 plus F23 plus F2n equal to 1. Similarly, Fn1 plus Fn2 plus Fn3 plus Fnn equal to 1. Equal to 1. This is the relation. So then another thing you have to notice, radiation heat transfer between 1 and 2, here shown here 2 is made up of 3 small elements, 3, 4, 5. The shape factor of 1 with respect to 2 is equal to shape factor of 1 with respect to 2 equal to shape factor of 1 with respect to 3, 1 with respect to 4, Fm1 is 5. F12 equal to F13 plus F14 plus F15. If 2 is made of 3 elements, 3, 4 and 5. F12 equal to F13 plus F14 plus F15. So these are some of the properties of the shape factor. Thank you.